Kamusta naman ang lockdown dyan sa Singapore, Carl?
Okay naman, sir. Ito, extended for another 1 month again. Kasi,
for another 1 month, okay?
Pero okay naman, productive pa rin tayo, mga taga-Noble Life, of course. Kailangan natin share lahat ng message or our mission natin to help a lot of people. Kaya nagiging productive tayo ngayon. So,
that is right. That is right. So somehow, ang nangyayari ngayon is that even though we have this situation right now, Noble Life for 14 years remains and sticks to its mission to bring the options to give you, an alternative, especially in the terms of food supplement, especially in the terms of immune boosting. Tama ba, Sir Carlton? And
yes.
That is the reason why we are doing back-to-back back-to-back presentations, product presentations, because we were discussing this in one of your live chat. Mr. Carlton, Sir Carlton was on a Facebook Live. That was 2 days ago, isn't it, sir?
Yes, sir. That was 2 days ago, Facebook Live. And I'm so happy because it was successful. We have now, in counting mga viewers po natin, 600 plus going up pa. So I'm very happy and it was successful. Madami po tayo na-reach na live. Yan. At matutulungan pa lalo, sir.
Ayun. This is something that I'm quite fond of, especially doing this online marketing, online media. Nakakatuwa kasi at the very comfort of your home, you can reach everyone around the globe. Now, especially when if the topic siguro is all about health, I guess it's just about perfect, I would say. If not, reaching them at the comfort of their home, at least in that sense, nasa sofa sila, they can think of, teka lang, kamusta na kaya yung health ko? Tama ba yun, Sir Carlton? Yes, because the truth of the matter minsan kasi, Sir Carl, is that alam mo yun, sa sobrang bilis ng trabaho natin, especially when you are working in Singapore, nakakalimutan mo na nakakalimutan mo na yung health mo basically, and sometimes we neglect already on how to take care or how to parang choose the right food, choose the right supplements or something like that. Did you ever experience that in Singapore or your previous job as well, sir?
Yes po, of course. Ganyan, nakakalimutan ko minsan mag-take ng supplements or any.
Or kumain na lang, sir. Or kumain.
And then rest then, of course, hindi yung rest ko. And then, ayun, minsan, I feel like I have this sickness or disease na pupasok na sa akin. Pero yun, papacheck up proper. Pero I'm having like this proper meals every day.
That's right.
And then yung rest din, kailangan talaga matulog. Minimum of like 8 hours a day. Yes po.
That's true. That's true. Thank you. We just want to recognize our team, actually, our attendees. If you could also tap on your participants there, Sir Carlton, and you would be able to see our participants. But I do have, our team from Koino Air Travel and Tours is with us. Koino Air Travel and Tours is a sister company of Noble Life International. They are the one doing the flights and the visas as well, just in case if you need travel and tours, alam mo yun, sir, and then your visas as well, or even a simple break outside of Singapore. These people here, I'd like to just mention their general manager, Sir Ernest, is there as well. One of their staff, Tita Vivian, is also joining us. And of course, our CFO, our Chief Financial Officer for Finance Officer for Noble Life International, the DLM group of companies, is there as well. Sir Don. And the president of Noble Life is also joining us today. Aside from that, do you happen to recognize some of your friends, sir?
Sure. Actually, madami dito. So I would like to also acknowledge the presence of our attendees. Okay, sir. We have Kelvin Garcia. Hello. He's working also here in Singapore. And one is Attorney Rafael Nacionales, CEO of New Media Services Australia, that's international.
Oh, great. Mm-hmm.
Yes. Sir, good afternoon po. And Dr. Roy Paredes, is here also with us.
Right.
Now, dermatologist po. Good evening, sir, Doc. And ayun, Rose, ganyan, madami pa, actually. Yeah.
All right, we've got Sir Bobby, we've got Kelvin Garcia, and yeah, okay, all right. Well, our live stream or our screen, our link is still active, all the way. I mean, from our Facebook accounts, all the way also to some of our attendees, some of our invitees as well. So the link remains active up to the end of the day. Now, bigyan ko lang sila sir ng konting ano ba tawag na to? I mean, just a quick ground briefing here for them also to how to interact with us. Then after that, I'll give the floor to you for the whole product presentations as well. All right, for each and every one of you on your screens right now, you have some icons. One of the icons there is chat, and the other icon there is question or Q&A. Now, if you happen to have some questions, you can simply type it in there and we will be discussing it. Either we will answer it on live or some of our team members will be replying to you directly. All right, so you can still interact with us. Now, if you have ano ba tawag na to, further mga invites just in case, you might want to give them the meeting ID. Right, the meeting ID of this Zoom, and so they can join it. Again, it's all free. We will be having at least an hour and 30 minutes to discuss a lot of things, especially all about the health. So I think we're good this time, Sir Carlton. And if you are ready, ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce to you one of our staff in Singapore, Noble Life International Singapore, Mr. Carlton Nurse, Carlton Araboy. Take it up, sir. Thank you.
Hi, sir. Good afternoon po sa inyong lahat. Yeah. So now I will be conducting a product presentation entitled Boosting Cell Power. With the product presentation, I would like you to introduce to you our company behind our products. It's called the Noble Life International. Okay, Noble Life International, established in 2016. Yeah, now it's on 14 years in the industry with the joint headquarters in the Philippines, okay, and Singapore. It expanded its office to global, Netherlands, Germany, Croatia, UAE, Hong Kong, Philippines, and Singapore. Okay, this is the Philippines local offices, Luzon, Manila, or Quezon City. Okay, that's in Lingayen, Baguio City, Visayas, Cebu City, and Mindanao is on Davao City. Okay, and of course, our management team headed by our CEO, Ms. Lila Bailon Macapanlap. Yeah, that's our beautiful CEO. Good afternoon, ma'am. And Sir Albert, of course, our Managing Director, and Dr. Romeo V. Orteza, okay, our Medical Director, Ma'am Judy Pascual, General Manager. Okay, so, okay. Here are our health experts and prominent researchers, professors. Wang Shante, who is known because of his study of algae, which gave way to one of our product, Cryptomonadales. Okay, and also Dr. Injen Su is a distinguished researcher and director for National Health Research Institute, NHRI in Taiwan, spread herds and SARS contaminate team and Taiwan representative to WHO overseas and SARS and avian bird flu H5N1 virus. Together with Dr. Dr. Yu Sheng Xiao, okay, is a research director for NHRI Taiwan and a specialist in the area of diabetes drugs. He has more than 20 years of experience, a researcher of pharmaceutical giant Merck & Co. Okay, and confirms also that Cryptomonadales contains a PPAR agonist, which is effective in treatment of diabetes. Okay, so look at my screen, guys. You know that obesity, diabetes, and cancer is one of the biggest problem or the health problem in our world now. Okay, like obesity, diabetes, and cancer. Okay, that's according to WHO. Kaya ingat-ingat po tayo. Malay natin tayo na ang may ganitong sakit. Okay, so look at the tree in your screen. At first value, it looks healthy because its leaves are green and robust, but little do we know that the unexposed and unseen, okay, parts of the trees is infected by pests, which would later on bring about the deterioration. Okay, compare of this your body today. Okay, just compare our body. Okay, we may look healthy, or is our skin may look healthy, okay, outside, but we don't know what happens to unseen parts of our bodies. We don't see what happens in our cells. Okay, katulad po yan, katulad ng trees na yan. Okay? I will share to you also our three simple solution or simple solutions of healthy issues. Okay? Three simple steps po. Hippocrates once said, okay, I will share to you this. The natural forces within us are the healers of disease. Let food by thy medicine, sabi po ni Hippocrates. Within the three simple steps, detox, rebalance, and cell nourishment, okay, dun po nanggaling yung three simple steps natin kay Hippocrates. Okay, kaya nag-come up yung company which is the Noble Life sa three simple steps. Okay, to avoid us in detoxification, we introduce to you our product called Cleanse. Okay, Cleanse. When do we know that your body is toxic? First, your fetal matter po is stinks and sinks. Okay, pag pina-flush natin or sa toilet, if it stinks and sinks, it is very unhealthy, or it has a lot of toxins. Well, ayan. So with this cleanse, will help you to rid of these toxins. Cleanse is made up of psyllium fiber. Okay, nakikita po natin sa skin natin, psyllium fiber and oats fiber. And it's also mixed vegetable powder, contains spinach leaves, fructooligosaccharides, and guar gum, apple fruits, fibers, apple flavor, citric acid, fructose, and chlorophyll powder. Okay, chlorophyll guys. Chlorophyll is a powerful blood cleanser. Okay, na nakukuha po natin siya sa plants natin. Okay, that's our cleanse. Okay, look po yung yung unhealthy colon natin. Ganyan po ang unhealthy colon natin. So we must be we must do the detoxify, or we must do the detox to cleanse our colon para maging healthy and to get rid of the toxins that we intake. Okay. So that's our cleanse. Our next po is step 2 and 3 is rebalance and nourishment. Rebalance and nourishment is we do have this product, Cryptomonadales, with natural PPARs agonist. Okay, so Cryptomonadales is a complete set of vitamins and supplements. Unlike other vitamins and supplements, it doesn't have a drug content that will damage our kidney. Instead, it's made up of organic and natural ingredients, okay, which is algae that provides nutrients for nourishment of our cells. That's our Cryptomonadales. And it can also, it's proven that it is also blood purification and anti-toxic effects from abundant chlorophyll content, anti-aging effects through conversion of the human body from acidic and alkaline, and prevention of treatment of disease, managing blood cholesterol. Okay, and now Cryptomonadales is the life work of Dr. Shante Wong, which is our father po ng products natin. Taking almost 50 years of research, Dr. Wong has truly gifted us with an amazing source of healthy and fit vitality. Okay, so that's our Cryptomonadales po. It's very natural and it's made up of algae. Okay, and yun po, made of algae. Siya po si Dr. Shante Wong ang gumagawa niyan with all the process na kailangan natin to come up with these cryptomonadales. Okay, for me, it's a food and a food supplement. Next, okay. Yan po yung sinasabi ko kanina for our cryptomonadales. It consists of complete vitamins, minerals, and nutrients. Okay, so that's how powerful po ng cryptomonadales natin. So, and crypto plus an all health natural food product with a nutritional profile that is unequaled and will prove to be health food of the 21st century. That is, and it contains po na natural PPARs agonist. Okay, what is this PPARs agonist po? I will share to you about PPARs agonist as we go on in our slide or in our discussion. Okay, yan. For the recognition of our product, okay, via media and print coverage in Asia Pacific, Biotech Magazine, cryptomonadales, lower blood, fat and sugar levels in clinical tests, ganyan po. And we do have the China TV News also, Formosa TV News, ayan. So, ayan. So, madami po nagpapatunay na our product is very effective and sufficient in treating a lot of diseases. Okay, so let's move on po sa PPARs agonist. Okay, PPARs agonist po is peroxisome proliferator activated receptors. Okay, this PPAR agonist, okay, ayan, according to Dr. Shante Wang po, PPARs agonist is like a key. Okay, it's like the key to unlock your cells that have been damaged by our lifestyle and environment. Like for example, our lifestyle, we are marami pong smokers, or the food that we take, yung mga toxins, ganyan, and ayun na makakadamage sa cells natin. So it is a key to unlock the cells, okay, to be a healthy cells again. Ayan. And according to the research, okay, in PubMed for research that 1,000 research papers of prominent research recent August 28 po, that PPARs being effective for treatment of diabetes, obesity, cancer, Alzheimer's, anti-aging, and even HIV and other elements. Yan. Kung nakikita natin sa PubMed tong product natin. Okay. And next slide. Okay, this is our cell. Okay, yung nakikita po natin yellow dyan, okay, is our cells. And our cells have this part po with the cell nucleus and cell membrane. Okay, and yun po. And how PPAR works po sa cells natin. Yung PPARs po natin, okay, they are the one, okay, okay, ayan. Okay, this is our challenge po ngayon. This yellow cell membrane po, yung yellow po dito na illustration is a cell nucleus, okay, inside our cell. And the cell membrane is the protective layer of our cells. And the nucleus for and the cell membrane will protect the nucleus for any threat. Basically, cell membrane would allow any elements to go in the nucleus. Ayan. Yan po ang PPAR natin, PPAR agonist natin. And since our PPARs agonist is the key to unlock, okay, is the key to unlock the doors to our warehouse containing the full force of the human immune system. Okay, so the PPARs agonist is the only element that can enter the cell membrane going to the nucleus because it has RNA and DNA that is safe to our cells. Yun po yung PPAR agonist natin. And the PPAR agonist has three isoforms, which is the alpha, delta, and gamma. Okay, alpha expressed in the liver, kidney, heart muscle, adipose tissue, and others. And beta po expressed in many tissues, but markedly in the brain, adipose tissue, and skin. Gamma expressed in virtuality all tissues include heart, muscles, colon, and kidney, and also pancreas and spleen. Okay, so yan po ang ating ginagawa ng PPARs natin sa katawan. Okay? Next, yan po. Ito po yung mga organs natin sa katawan. Yan. Okay, PPARs will help to decrease inflammation. Ayan, inflammation in our kidney, digestive tract, lungs, liver, and brains, and also decrease apoptosis. Okay? And necrosis po. And decrease fibrosis. Yan po. Ang dami pong natutulog ng PPARs natin. This is according to research po established by Journal of Clinical Investigation of GIC Volume 116 and number 3, March 2016. Okay. Our next product po is Crypto PPARs Plus Resveratrol. So, ito po. Crypto plus Resveratrol. Resveratrol po is made up of a red grape skin. Okay? Yung product po natin, yung isang capsule, okay, contains po of 4 kilos of red grape skin. Okay, the benefits of this are prevents brain damage, promote health and longevity, prevents strokes condition and cardiac ischemia, lower blood pressure, lower blood sugar, offers natural cure for gout and rheumatoid arthritis, improves vascular blood flow, thereby improving sexual function. Then, okay, yung mga obese din, okay, yan. Nakakatulong po siya to have a healthy body. And sa atin po ngayon, napaka particular natin sa itsura natin. Yun, maganda din because this Crypto PPARs Plus has anti-aging properties. Ayan. So, Crypto PPARs Plus Resveratrol. Okay, next slide po tayo. Sabi nga ni Mahatma Gandhi, it is health that is real wealth and not pieces of gold and silver. Basically po, this quote, okay, kino-quote po niya in a simple word is health is wealth natin. Para tayo maging productive everyday, dapat healthy tayo para magawa natin yung mga dapat natin gawin everyday. Okay, that's from Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, Noble Life po. Okay, Noble Life is caring for you naturally. Ayan. Yan po ang products natin. And Sir Albert, you're there po.
Okay, well, thank you so much, Carlton. Very quick preview. You know, I'm so amazed really with Carlton. Just to give you a background of Sir Carlton, I mean, he is with us for I think running 2 to 3 months pa lang sa Noble Life International. We were amazed by number one is like he is really into food supplements, and no wonder ang ganyang kagwapo si Sir ano tawag nito, si Sir Carlton, and nakaka-pressure. But nevertheless, what really amazes us with him is that he has this passion. He has this passion of telling everyone about like staying healthy or, you know, making yourself healthy, because as a matter of fact, as yuppies as we are, you know, as our generations at the moment, we are a generation that is always on the go. We are a generation who tends to forget sometimes that, hey, we are not getting younger. And however, we tend to forget, to take care of our body. Nevertheless, pag nandun na tayo sa peak part of ourselves, we immediately resort to few things, like, let's say, of course, yung mga synthetic medicines, to which hindi pa naman dapat. All right, because we believe in Noble Life International, being an organic company. I mean, all our products has its organic compound and properties, and 100% halal. We really know, or really actually stand on the ground that we believe in nutrition. This is the very reason why for 14 years, we only stayed with our 5 products, or actually 3 major products with Noble Life International. Our laboratory, our farm of algae, or the freshwater algae, is located in Taiwan. So it has been there for almost 54 years, actually, as we mentioned on one of our slides. And it is not just only a simple ano ba tawag nito, food supplements, or just a food supplement company, but it is also one of the products that has been used in treating yung SARS. In other words, there is a medical study you can research done by Dr. Ijin Su, or Su Ijin, and using this Cryptomonadales, or the Chlorella sorikiniana, with the PPARS agonist in treating or controlling or containing yung AH5N1 series. All right. Now, aside from that, of course, all of these products has its own medical studies. So, I mean, they are all published in PubMed or NHBI. It's a parang library. It's a public medicine library of biomolecular studies as well. So just in case if you need to know more about the medical compounds, components, and properties, and at the same time, studies that has been published or conducted, you can search on that. You can search that directly on NHBI or PubMed.com. All right. So from this very moment, I guess, let's just have a few questions just in case if there will be some of our friends right now. We are a total of 22. Yep, there you go. 22 participants at the moment, Sir Carlton. And I believe the best thing to do this right now is to open this time just for a quick questions maybe, and then we can go from there, you know. I know some of the friends that we have here at the moment in the participants list where I have encountered them on one of your live stream, you know, and siguro some of the questions has been answered, but nevertheless, the table is open. The stream is open for you to ask us some questions as well. Okay. Now, while we are waiting for that kind of for those questions, I'd like to point out on one of the slides ni Carlton doon sa cleanse. Okay, according to our medical doctors and our medical consultants in our team, 90%, even actually this has been studied all along. I mean, ano pa ito, matagal-tagal na itong pinag-aralan din. 90% of sickness and diseases comes from the colon. All right, in layman's term, our colon, or our large and small intestines, are considered to be the absorbers, or taga-absorb ng katawan natin. And so you just imagine if you are taking a food, all right, and then you are not a person who does exercise maybe, so you are not triggering, you know, yung katawan, yung body or yung digestive system ninyo to do peristalsis, or what we call the intestines movement, you know, peristalsis. So if there is not such effort, let's say for example, one of the best way to do one of the best and free way to do a detoxification is exercise. Now let me ask you this, who among us here really does exercise consistently? Okay? We recognize that because of our job, hindi natin nagagawa yan talaga. And so this food that we are taking, especially those food that are prepared in oil, or those foods with content of fats, they solidifies inside our tummy. Okay, especially in our digestive systems, and thus forming this solid content, and therefore mahirap siyang mailabas. Okay, so just taken for example yung oil, mantika. Pag lumalamig siya, basically nagiging solid siya, no? And then in order for you, or if you want this ito mantika na gamitin, you really need to heat it up para mag-melt down siya. That is the reason why our cleanse product has these 2 fibers, which we know medically speaking, you need to have this, okay? Number 1, yung soluble fiber na sinasabi ni Sir Carlton kanina from psyllium husk. It acts like, siya yung parang tumutunaw, right? The first approach was, tutunawin muna niya yung mga namumuo-muo na mga toxins natin. However, in the long run, hindi yan totally kaagad-agad natatanggal. All right? There would still be some toxins stuck or sticking on the wall lining, or yung lining ng ating intestines. And that is the reason why the second fiber, which is insoluble fiber, is very needed. Now, one asset of Cleanse product namin is that this combination of two, yung soluble and insoluble fiber. On the other markets, I know there are still a lot of products that has this colon cleansing and something like that. But I hope you could see and really study the ingredient of it. Sometimes hindi po nami-mix ang soluble insoluble fiber in one just product because it's quite hard to mix them too, And other than that, yung insoluble fiber pala, it acts like a broom. So parang ang kanal, binalyahan mo ng tubig, may natitira pang lumot, therefore kailangan mong kudkurin, something like that. So using this insoluble with the presence of insoluble fiber, then it acts like a brush, or it acts like a broom, sweeping around the whole wall linings natin. Now, one best thing, I don't know if this has been discussed talaga, but I'd like to put it out to you all. Isang magandang properties or ingredients ng Cleanse is this chlorophyll. It has also a chlorophyll. Now, we know chlorophyll, you can simply Google this. It's a powerful blood cleanser. So we all know that a blood is a mode of transmissions all around our body. So our blood is present from our head down to our very toes. And so there is an ability for this blood also to carry toxins from one side or one point to another point. Now with chlorophyll present in our blood, it actually dinidikitan niya yung mga toxins na yan. So that toxins, dinidikitan ng chlorophyll and then because of that, it becomes heavy. And so it just fall down. Kaya hindi po umiikot-ikot. In that manner, napiprevent po niya yung further damages napiprevent niya yung mga stocking, or nababara in one side because chlorophyll itself does ito yung parang magnetic function niya, dinidikitan niya yung toxins and eventually it fall down. We have one question at the moment just come up. Yeah, and I guess this is Attorney Rafael. There you go. Do we need to have a low-calorie diet to ensure efficacy of Cleanse? Thank you for that question, Attorney. Actually, you don't need to, sir. This is one thing that I like personally about the Cleanse because you are not required or you are not being stopped to eat. Okay? You are also not, hindi kagaya ng iba na, you need to cut down with your this and your that and do something like that. Well, no, you don't need to. In Cleanse po, whatever already is inside your tummy, that's the target of the Cleanse. So as long as you take good fluids, kasi this, I hope you could imagine with me, no? Para po ito siyang gaw-gaw. I hope cornstarch or something like that. And since it came from a fruits and vegetables, lumalapot siya. Okay, so on our next episodes, we will be showing you how to take the Cleanse product, but this is a powder. So the powder comes from fruits and vegetables. Now, the moment you put it on a little volume of water lang, konti lang po, isang lagok sabi nila, the flavor is apple, immediately mix it and then drink it. Okay, so just only a room temperature lang. Kasi pag pinabayaan mo po siya, parang lumalapot siya, it becomes jelly. All right. So from that context pa lang, you could imagine already what is going on inside our body. One of our medical consultant, she's a med tech. She mentioned to us that this kind of product acts like a bulk laxative. Bulk laxative. So parang ang nangyayari is lumalaki siya para siyang esponja and then dadaan siya sa inyong large intestine. So eventually, every toxins nandun sa gitna or nandun nakastack, he would be able to do that. He would be able to clean that kind of yung toxins na yun. Ito yung kanyang tinatawag na process. But of course, we would like to set your expectation. Results varies from one person to another. So the only recommendations that we wanted to start up for those people who wanted to start up with Cleanse is that drink more water after you take the Cleanse. The more water, the better. Ayan po yung Cleanse natin. Okay? Now, there's one question here. Are kids able to take in Cleanse? Well, of course, we don't recommend them. Okay. Now, let me say a very, very quick, tawag na to, parang, just to check if you are, when to take Cleanse, okay? So, we have this layman's discussion na, pag napupo, nahulog, lumubog, Alright? Pag napupo po kayo, nahulog, lumubog, this is a very good sign that it's time for you to take cleanse or that it's time for you to do your detoxification. It is because toxins is already nagko-comprise na siya or nagkakaroon na siya ng weight. So pag nahulog, lumubog, it's already a sign of it that you need to take cleanse. Now, if you happen to have kids, and some toddlers, maybe yung mga primary kids, toddlers pa lang, because of their activity, physical activity, takbo dito, takbo doon, they are able to initiate or parang they are able to have that movement sa kanilang intestines. So naaalog-alog yung intestines nila. And therefore, madali yung kanilang detoxification o paglilinis nila. Now, if you happen to see them when they poop, pag nahulog, lumulutang po yan. So that is one thing that we wanted to achieve when you are taking cleanse. At least, if you are consistently taking cleanse, you would notice talaga your toxins, or your bowel movement, the moment na po kayo, lulutang po talaga siya. Yan po yung kanyang, I would say, one of the assurance. And I tell you, sabi ng mga kakilala namin, para po daw nanganak because of that relief in the stomach. Yep. Do we still have some more questions? Sir, maybe Sir Carlton, you could share also your experience with us on cleanse muna.
Yeah, sa cleanse po, I'm taking that for like 2 months na. And then before, lagi akong constipated. I don't know why. There's something wrong sa stomach ko. Lagi akong constipated. Yun ang sakit ko. But when I take the cleanse po, naging okay na siya. Hindi ko na naramdaman ngayon yung constipation na nararamdaman ko before. Siguro, yung toxins na rin ng kinakain ko and also the stress that I'm having before. Kaya, ayun. Pero ngayon po, hindi na rin ako constipated. Okay na yung flow ng
yeah. It's quite irritable, no? Nakakairita, especially if you're having that kind of constipation. Now, especially with ladies, those ladies especially na nagbubuntis, they do have these kinds of issues as well. But nevertheless, if you know somebody who suffers this kinds of problem na hindi nakakapoop or something like that, we wanted to recommend this cleanse. So aside from knowing how this, affects them, there is something also that we wanted to assure them. Remember, this is a product that comes from fruits and vegetables. So may mga product, well, personally, I have tried a lot of products na, either slimming or something like that, or even yung papapupo lang or something like that. But the effect of it is like, nanghihina ka. Have you ever, I don't know if you ever experienced that, Sir Carlton, but on my case, ayun, na-experience ko yung parang nanghihina ka. So, medically speaking, it's like the electrolytes are coming out as well together with your poop. When you have diarrhea, something like that, diba, lumalabas siya at nanghihina ka. Now, with this cleanse product that we do have, somehow merong konting panghihilab ng tiyan, okay? So, but it doesn't do that kind of talagang super sakit sa stomach na parang namimilipit ka sa sakit. But ang other niya na properties is that when you poop out, nare-replenish yung nawawala sa inyo, kaya you don't feel weak. Especially when you're draining out, pag nagpupoop ka. So this is something that we assure everyone kasi minsan may mga hesitations because of that after effects ng mga... Have you ever experienced that, Sir Carlton? Yung parang nanghihina ka?
Yeah, na-experience ko yan before.
Right.
Pero yun nga, wala na din kasi because of the cleanse talaga.
Yeah, of course, sa cleanse po, of course, hindi naman zero na walang a little bit of panghihila, but there is very much manageable, very, very much manageable. Even, tawag na to, you are on nag-work or something like that. But one thing na ina-assure namin, it is your whatever electrolytes or whatever comes out of you, potassium mo ba na properties ng katawan mo are being replenished as well because the product is coming from fruits and vegetables. Ayan, there is something here. They're checking on cryptomonadalis if it can be taken by kids. Oh, this is a very good question. So, is cryptomonadalis can be taken by kids? My answer is yes. Yes and yes. It is because the product is actually for, ang concentration niya is cells. So as long there is a cell, then the product works. Now, this is also organic, so it doesn't have any overdosage or underdosage. As a matter of fact, this is also the vitamins of our my kids. My son. And we even have marami kaming mga kasamahan, mga product users namin sa Manila, that you can see talaga yung resistensya ng bata pagdating ng, let's say for example, naliligo sa ulan, exposed on those kinds of mga pwedeng mag-cause ng mga sakit. Malakas po yung resistensya nila. And I can say talaga, personally myself, it is very, very good for brain. Ang ganda ng cognitive skills ng mga bata, ang retentions ng mga bata, especially when they started off this. Our medical director, Dr. Romeo Orteza, even said this. Parating itong sinasabi sa mga health talks niya, that this product can be taken from womb to tomb. So, like when you are planning to conceive, hanggang nanganak po kayo, and then all the way hanggang lumaki po siya, this can be, taken. So I hope we answered that. The properties, one of the properties of crypto is zinc, which is very, very known for our brain, right? Brain and nerve functions. Ayan. So yeah, we have another questions here. Tignan natin ha. Oh, very good question. Is cleanse safe for people suffering from gastric ulcer? Okay. It is safe, but we don't recommend it, especially if we don't see yung estado ng katawan ng tao. So this is wonderful. Ito yung kaklaruhin natin, Attorney Rafaela, no? This is the reason why our team is equipped with not just researchers, but also medical doctors. So when you let's say, for example, when we encounter cases like you say gastric ulcer, we wanted to know how serious it is. So this is firstly, of course, the product cleanse has an acid. So yung natural acids niya. And we don't want to aggravate also the situation ng patient, especially if meron siyang GERD or gastric ulcer or gastroenteritis, something like that. We don't want to aggravate it. That is why at first, we always recommend if a person is suffering from those mentioned cases natin, we recommend immediately Cryptomonadales. Reason, Cryptomonadales has an alkaline properties. So from our science in high school before, an acid and an alkaline actually neutralizes acids. So if the person is suffering from those mentioned diseases, cases right now, then recommended natin is to start first immediately ng Cryptomonadales to neutralize at least 1 week. All right. However, after a week maybe, let's say for example, ganun pa rin yung mga cases or ganun pa rin yung mga nararamdaman ng tao, then we need to check out really, how bad it is. So this is where yung mga medical consultants namin comes in already. So in other words, yes, we are a full organic company. But of course, we recognize also the need of those immediate medicines, especially if may mga severe cases na tayo. And so, our medical doctors are recommending just in case omeprazole or those kinds of mga medicines mentioned by our doctors in case po pag malala na po yung mga or Zantac, malala po yung mga sakit nila. So again, our medical director or medical doctors or consultants will give us a best consult, at the same time, best recommendations when it comes to severe diseases. Yan. May gamot din po dyan para sa varicose veins. Okay. Well, partly, varicose veins somehow is like dahil din minsan sa aging, no? Sa mga agings natin and somehow like yung mga nerves natin. And okay, so I'd like to put you back, Sir Carlton, ibabalik lang natin yung ating mga participants on the concept that our body is made of cells. Okay? So mapaugat man natin yan, mapabuto man natin yan, or basically our organs basically, they are all made of cells. All right? So when you have these kinds of mga varicose veins, somehow this is just parang ang nangyayari is may mga nakukulang na mga elemento which is very needed for your mga nerves natin, mga ugat-ugat natin. Now, with the properties, if you happen to remember yung nutritional profile ng Cryptomonadalis, one or two of that nutritional profile helps out yung iron na side na yan, helps out on the nerves side, to which nakakatulong po sa varicose veins. So we are not saying that it's like totally gone, but what we can assure you is that because of the cell regeneration, okay, na ginagawa ng ating Cryptomonadalis, basically Cryptomonadalis triggers regeneration or panganganak, right, or medical term mitosis niya. So habang nanganganak ng mga bago, times 2 or times 4 ang CGF po ng Cryptomonadalis. If a person, in layman's term, ganito po yan. If a person is not taking a product that has a CGF or cell growth factor, then the cells might be nagpo-produce lang ng 1 to 2. Okay? But if a person is taking a product that has this CGF, then especially Cryptomonadalis, there is a tendency that the cells gave birth at least doon sa times 2 or times 4. So mas napapabilis po ang cell regeneration or cell replenishment of a certain either organs man or either veins man or tissues natin pag ang product or pag ang Cryptomonadalis, especially with all the nutrients in there, nakakapasok sa cells natin. So, yun po yung recommendations natin on varicose veins. Ayan. Sir, maybe you want to answer si Sir Christian Brera?
For preparation of cleanse, what is the best temperature of water? Normal temperature lang po, okay na po siya. So, dilute po natin siya sa normal temperature ng water, and then actually tinitake ko ang cleanse po for an idea. Tinitake ko ang cleanse in the evening, 2 hours after the meal. Okay, tinitake ko siya. And then yun, sa morning, ayun, maganda yung ano po. Happy morning ako because I really...
So, it's just room temperature po. Hindi po malamig, hindi po mainit din po siya. Alright, just a plain tap water will do already. Okay, so I have a question in the chat group. Sabi niya, how about bloating? What can you advise? Okay, now this is a very good question. How about bloating? What can you advise? Now there's a lot of, sabi nga nila, daming mga factors that might able to affect on that bloating natin, no? So indigestion is one of them. In bloating na mga cases, we strongly recommend to take cleanse. So cleanse lang po katapat ng bloating na yan. Okay? Now, of course, if there will be some prevailing issues after sabihin natin hindi pa nawawala, then we really need to consult a doctor talaga and then may be able to see inside either ultrasound or, you know, something like that para makita natin what is really causing that issue. So, for initial lang, kung bloating lang po yan or regular bloating or constipation lang po, cleanse is the best recommended product on that. All right. Is the cleanse helps when you already have gallstones? Wow. Okay. I have asked our medical director on this. This is the answer and the considerations. Now, gallstones comes into two common na ano tawag nito, parang properties. One is yung tawag nila na sodium chloride or parang namumuo based on the salt sa katawan natin. And there's another one that comes from etong oil, okay? Or basically yung parang cholesterol. So, ang nangyayari is pag soft pa yung gallstones, there is a tendency and basically yung body mo able to melt it down. Okay? So doon sa yung base ng oil or parang doon sa parang mamantika ang gawa ang gallstones sa mamantika. So with the cleanse and with crypto, the combination of it, well actually if meron na talagang presence ng gallstones, we also recommend, our medical team recommends talagang PPAR agonist. Yung sinasabi ni Carlton kanina na powder. Now, we wanted to set your expectation. Of course, we would love to see the size of it para makita ng doctor natin and we could recommend. One thing that I wanted to personally assure each and every one of you, sa Noble Life International, but together with our medical consultants and our medical director, we don't simply recommend you or we don't simply put or give to you something that you may not be able, or you don't need it at the moment. So that's one thing that we wanted to assure in each and every one. Now, so doon nga sabi ko sa mga medyo oil-based po siya na gallstones, there is a tendency na ma-melt down po siya. However, another po na type ng classification ng gallstone is yung parang nagiging bato po siya. And usually, they are very sharp, kaya masakit po na pag dumadaan siya either in urethra or either in kidney tubes or something like that. Parang masakit siya. So in that sense, may mga ginagamit na po yung may mga medical procedures na po na ginagamit. Like one of those is yung tinatawag naming may tinatawag na parang ultrasonic or subsonic or parang sonic wave na yun po yung parang dumudurog ng bato na yan. So if there is something like this, like gallstones, we would love to invite you to have a consult with our medical consultants and our doctors. At least in that way, we could get more parang imaging, alam mo yun, yung imaging niya para ma-identify yung size, and then we could create a proper protocol para naman po sa inyo. So I hope we answered that. We still have some questions actually on Q&A. Ayan. Very good. Sir Carlton, can we take this medicine while taking other medicines?
Yes po. We can take the medicine while taking other medicine because it's very organic po.
That's right.
Yun, very organic po siya. And then wala po, hindi po siya contradict sa mga tinitake natin na medicines if we have maintenance po. As,
okay.
Tulad ko po, I'm taking like this is like high blood. So na-diagnose po ako ng high blood last 3 years ago. And then now I'm taking maintenance. And then ayun, tinitake ko pa at the same time yung supplement natin, which is the cryptomonadales. And
yes. Yes. Actually, one of the slides here, if I may share, this product that we do have, cryptomonadales, it is a natural treatment. It goes directly to your cells. So it doesn't have contraindications with any drugs or any ethical medicines or other medical procedures done and recommended by yung doctor po ninyo. So it's safely taken. However, I want to set your expectation on how to efficiently take the product kasi this is an organic product. An organic product, actually, napapatay po siya ng acid. So I'd like to recommend to you that when you have, let's say, a maintenance maybe, ang gagawin nyo po una is like you take first this cryptomonadales, all of these organic products, you take first at least 30 to 45 minutes, then you take po yung inyong maintenance or whatever prescribed drugs na ginagamit sa inyo or pinapagamit ng doktor. Now, on the side of hypertension, yes, we have a medical studies that this product lowers blood cholesterol really, and that's affecting talaga yung level ng hypertensions natin. And so, we wanted to set your expectations. You are not supposed to take out. May mga tao kasi na pag they feel good and they see that the results of their BPs are good, they immediately shut off or take out yung medicines. Please take our advice. Do not take it off. It's gonna be your doctor who will take it out. All right? So the cryptomonadales will help you stabilize your pressure, your blood pressure, and even yung aspeto na nagkukos ng hypertension ninyo. But again, it will be your doctor to take out whatever yung prescriptions or lower down your dosage. Ayan. So, can these supplements be taken with other supplements and medicines? My answer is yes. However, I'd like to classify that. When you take this supplement, yung supplement namin, yung cryptomonadales, take it with any other organic medicines. Or to be safe, para naman you are assured that the product works, works first before any other else, take cryptomonadales first. At least 30 to 45 minutes you take whatever medicines you do have as well. Ayan. I'd like this. So can these supplements, okay. It is good also to take the supplement for pregnant persons. Very good. Okay. Maybe you could share also your inputs, sir. I will also answer mine in a while. Is it good to take this supplement for pregnant person?
Yes po, it's good to take the supplement for a pregnant person po. And nga sabi po ni Sir Albert kanina, it's organic, so hindi po siya nakaka-contradict or wala po siyang chemical or anything na toxins na tinitake natin yung supplement natin. Kaya pwede po siya. It's all organic, kaya pwede siya sa pregnant person po.
That is right. As a matter of fact, ang cryptomonadalis is very safe for pregnant. Like what I said, our medical director, Dr. Romeo Orteza, he is always telling this, or he is always sharing this to every health talks, that this product can be taken from womb to tomb. Now, one element of cryptomonadalis that is very good for yung mga pregnant is like, number one, yung folic acids niya. Okay? Then number two, of course, yung mga nakukuha mong vitamins and minerals that would supplement yung pagbubuntis mo, basically. And then there's another part of this, which is zinc, that we all know whatever you are taking is being absorbed also by your baby. And that is why zinc is very good for brain formulations and then brain functions ng baby then. So it is very much good and safe po in taking this kind of supplement for pregnant persons. Ayan. I guess we are down to our last two questions. If you do have some more questions, we will take it in at least for at least the last siguro, sir, we can take at least 3 more questions if you do have.
Yes.
Okay. Now, let me just take, maybe, sir, you could invite them to visit if they are in Singapore. Can you advise them maybe on our offices?
Our offices po, yeah. Please visit kung makakapasyal po tayo dito sa Singapore. Please visit our office at Orchard Road International Building beside ICETAN Mall po. And sa Philippines po, our headquarters is in Cubao, Quezon City po. Ayun. So, and also don't forget po to like our page. So in our social medias, okay, sa Facebook po, just type Noble Life International, and also sa Instagram po, just type Noble_Life International. Ayan. So,
okay. Thank you, Sir Carlton. And of course, Siguro, before we finish this initial conversation about our product, I just want to also introduce to you that we have operations in Philippines, just in case if you happen to have some friends and family members who wanted to try the product. You can visit our offices. First of all, our headquarters in Cubao and our clinic as well. It's open, on regular operations. We are open from Monday to Saturday. And then yung doctor natin on the clinic is also available by that time, and then Monday to Saturday. At the same time, branches we do have in Baguio. That's in Session Road. I believe Attorney Rafael is based in Baguio, if I'm not mistaken. Sir Carl, tama ba?
yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. And then we have also operations in Lingayen, and we have an operation also in Cebu City. That's in Central Cebu po, nasa Fuente po kami. And then in Davao City, we have also office in Magallanes, Claveria. So medyo madali po silang, medyo madali silang makita. And of course, there's one way, we could help you out. Just in case if you are in Baguio, for example, and you have some friends in Davao, then yes, you could send also. You can actually pay from Baguio City, and then our Davao office would be able to help you releasing the products. In international offices naman din po, we have a presence in Singapore. We have also in Hong Kong and Macau. Now, in case if you want to get their information, you can actually message us and we can PM you directly for the contact person po, yung personal number niya. But nevertheless, you can message us always on our Noble Life International Facebook, and we can redirect you to the right person, the right department or branch that could assist you further. And moving to the Middle East, we have also presence in UAE. And our office is located in Sharjah, in Buhaira, Corniche. And that is also an office assisting Abu Dhabi, Dubai, and surrounding areas for Ajman, Ras Al Khaimah. Okay, we have also a more questions over here. Okay. Let's see here. Is the product good for the babies 10 below? Babies 10 below. I hope this is 10 years below. If it's 10 years below, yes. Okay, my son is only 6, actually turned 6. So ginagamit na po niya yan. Hindi ako nagkakamali, turning 2 years old. He started already. If it's babies 10 months below, maybe, if it's a breastfeed, I'd like to recommend yung nanay muna. yung nanay muna para at least hindi manibago yung sistema ng bata. So, take the mother, I recommend you to take it first. Kasi nakukuha naman din ng anak nyo, if it's a breastfeed, yung nutrients niya. Okay? So I hope that is clear. Where can we buy here in Manila? Okay, let me just answer this real quick, Sir Carlton, since I'm based, dito ako based sa Manila. No? We have a headquarters here in Potsdam. This is just, if you know, Anonas LRT station. I think 3 minutes walk away from that LRT station. That's our headquarters. And what else? You can also purchase online, and then we can do Lala Move just in case or Grab delivery. So if you are interested in doing that. Ayan po. Do you have a list of healing manifestation of this product? Very much. Yes, we do have po. The healing reactions and healing, yung adoption period, yeah. Yes po. I'd like to speak more about this to you para may isa-isa natin. If you happen to, ano ba tawag nito? After this, maybe I would provide you my personal contact. I don't know if I could, how can I get because your name here is your anonymous attendee. However, if you happen to chat with me directly, I want to get your number. I want to get your number so we could discuss this further. There are quite several of that, and that's also documented para at least alam mo kung ano yun. To set everybody's expectation, last 3 minutes, to set everybody's expectation, yes, there is this what we call healing, yung adoption period or healing manifestation. The reason is that this is an organic and a new element coming inside our body. So your system definitely will start to react, okay? But it would not stay long. So of course, pag may bago, para lang yan pag may taong bago sa bahay nyo, nakikiming, you know, like you're trying to adjust. So same in our, the whole system ng katawan natin. So I'd like to deal with that, I mean, at least one-to-one, so we could answer, maybe you will have some more questions. Okay, and one last. Yep, so that's, I think we are good enough, sir. Unless you have more, your last message maybe for them.
Yun, thank you. Thank you so much po sa pag-attend for this webinar. And we have, again, if nabitin po tayo sa pag-uusap ngayon, and we have tomorrow, we have also a webinar, yeah, chat. I will post po sa social media natin para alam po natin yung links natin. And then for updates po and also, for more updates po sa social medias din po natin, ipopost namin lahat. And actually, we are catering events. So madami po tayong events na post lang ngayon because of the COVID po. So after nito, marami po tayong events na dito, dito sa Singapore, globally po, maraming events. So watch out po tayo.
Okay. Thank you so much, Sir Carlton. And of course, my name is Albert, the Managing Director of the company. I would like also to invite you for a series of trainings na ginagawa po namin. Noble Life International caters also to some distributors, just in case if you wanted to do a little bit of the business by, you know, either reselling of that of our products as well. You can do so as well. With all the FDA licenses na meron kami, we could share it also to you as our authorized distributor. Just in case if you are in business, I'd like to invite you for a talk. It will be on Tuesday at 2 o'clock. I will be talking about the little secrets of closing the sales. That's for business persons. And of course, everybody who just wanted to know more, or to know about the practical tips and techniques of how to close a sale from a corporate perspective or even a one-to-one perspective, I'd like to invite you then. On Thursday, I will be also sharing leveraging on digital platforms. So if you wanted to know about online marketing as well, I'll be talking about how to use Zooms or how to use your Facebook pages and how to get an engagement of customers in using the digital platforms. That's again, yung isang topic is on Tuesday, the other topic will be on Thursday. We will be posting all those details on our official page. That's facebook.com/NobleLifeINTL or Noble Life International Official. And the registration links and at the same time, yung access natin will also be there. Again, thank you so much for joining us this afternoon. Maraming salamat po for accepting talaga, no? For of course joining the webinar initiated by Team Singapore, and we hope to see you on Tuesday and the next upcoming live discussions na gagawin namin. So of course together. Sooner or later, if I'm not mistaken, one of our consultants is scheduled already on first week of May. Yan. First week of May. We will be talking yung consultant, yung doctor po namin na medtech, then becomes a medical doctor, and she's a dermatologist and a GP as well. Forte niya po yung virals and bacterials. So hopefully we can see you again on Tuesday. Maraming salamat po. And today, this is Noble Life International together with Team Singapore, represented by our very own nurse, Calton. This is Albert Jan. Thank you so much and magandang hapon po sa lahat.